First at noon, hurricane season is heating up. Invest 97 is now Tropical Storm Erin. The system is in the far eastern Atlantic, just west of the Cabo Verde Islands. Right now, Erin has maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. Thanks for joining us. I'm Alan Campbell.
I'm Nancy Alvarez. Erin is expected to intensify as it moves west across the open tropical Atlantic. Let's bring in first warning meteorologist Cam Tran. And Cam, Erin could be our first major hurricane of the season.
That's right. It's expected to be a major hurricane by this weekend. So Erin was Invest 97L as of the 11 o'clock update. It is now Erin with winds of 45 miles per hour, moving very rapidly to the west at 20 miles per hour. It's about 280 miles west-northwest of the Cabo Verde Islands, and it's a very compact system. As it moves west into the Atlantic, western and central Atlantic, it's expected to gradually intensify. You can see as we go into late day Wednesday night, Erin is expected to intensify to a Category 1 hurricane late Wednesday evening. And then as it continues its west-northwesterly track towards the western Atlantic, it is expected to be a Category 3 hurricane by Saturday morning with winds of 115 miles per hour. So where Erin goes after that, still to be determined. It's still uncertain where it's going to go, but we have to monitor this closely, at least on its latest track right now, not expected to impact any land. It will move west into marginally warmer waters as we go the next couple days, but it really rapidly intensifies as we go into late week because it's going to be moving into significantly warmer waters and also less dry air as well. I'll have a look at the computer models with Erin and show you those models as well as our local forecast here at home. Another stormy afternoon. That's coming up in about 15 minutes.